Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online videos. When I was a kid, from about the age of 8 onwards, me and my dad had this kind of Saturday morning ritual where almost every Saturday we'd sit down and play chess. And for years and years and years, he always beat me. One thing I'll say about my dad is he never went easy on me. He never let me win or kind of made stupid moves to give me an advantage. He always insisted that if I was ever going to win, I would have to earn my victory. For years, I basically sucked up the suffering and kind of started to learn a bit more about the game. And I can still remember his face when one day, when I was about 13, the tables finally turned and this look of shock and horror kind of came onto his face as he realised that for the first, but not the last time, I'd finally got the better of him. If you get the better of someone, you beat them or you defeat them in some kind of competition or some kind of game. You often hear it used when talking about sport. So maybe in a boxing match, one particular boxer fought really well, but in the end, his stronger, more experienced opponent got the better of him in the 10th round, for example. Maybe if you're a striker in a football team, you're used to dealing with tough physical defenders, and usually you get the better of them. You end up getting past them and scoring goals. And perhaps if you're trying to play tennis against someone much better than you, you might be forced to recognise that it's nigh on impossible to get the better of such an experienced player. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use get the better of.